This is the most complex 3D printed part ever made.
Printing this part will put every aspect of our capabilities to the test. The hyperganic algorithm used to design this part takes everything about the printer into consideration. Build volume, overhanging angles, and wall thickness are all accounted for. It will never produce a geometry that can't be printed.
This is an Aerospace rocket engine, and this design's been around since the 1960s. Conventional rocket engines have bell nozzles in the center, but this rocket engine has a spike in the middle. If you don't cool it sufficiently, it'll melt away. That's where 3D printing and algorithmic engineering comes in. Designing those complex internal cooling channels with traditional engineering methods is very difficult. Using Hyperganic's algorithmic engineering platform, this design generated in 10 minutes. This allows us to generate over 100 different variations of this rocket engine over the course of a weekend. And we're expecting a 15% increase in efficiency with this design. Cool thing about the algorithm is it takes every design constraint of 3D printing into account. Wall thickness, overhanging angles, everything is accounted for, and everything can be adjusted on the fly using the algorithm. If you adjust one part of the Aerospace rocket engine, it propagates through the rest of the algorithm and changes everything else accordingly. So the last step to making our Aerospace is going to be to cut our part off our build plate using our ONA AV35 Wire EDM. So let's head over there and make it happen. One of the most complex metal 3D printed parts on earth, and our Trumpf TruPrint2000 handled it like a champ. After that, we cut it off on the ONA, and now it is done. And I just have to say, I'm absolutely humbled by the technology that went into making this part, and I'm extremely grateful to be a part of it and to share it with all of you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to check out more additive videos, we've got a playlist, so don't be afraid to check that out, and we'll catch you guys next time.